Speaking at a media conference, the activist movement accused government of failing to protect the lives and human rights of people in the Zambezi region. In addition to seeking legal advice on the issue, they say they will file a complaint with the Office of the Ombudsman to compel government to release the report compiled on the investigation of the Nchindo murders.
We are planning to take government to the High Court because we have sufficient evidence that our government is failing to protect the lives and human rights of people in the Zambezi region. This statement is not an update, but it is a portrayal of psychological blackmail, denial of acts of aggression by Botswana, and a sign of Botswana's arrogance. We are considering seeking international remedies to our just plight by petitioning the African Commission on Human Rights and People's Rights. Our legal experts will soon draft heads of arguments for further transmission to the African Commission on Human Rights against the Namibian government and Botswana government.
The group also wants those involved in the shooting to be brought to book and criminal cases pursued against them.
We are waiting for the investigation report, not an update of what government has done. Secondly, BDF is an entity, and we are waiting for the names of the soldiers that pulled the trigger that shot our brothers, because these are the criminals that we are naming and shaming. And we are expecting a report that has their names and their statements, which should form part of the evidence that goes to court. We want to warn our government that we will not rest until these criminals are brought to face the full wrath of the law.
The movement also rejected a call by the two governments for citizens of the two countries to remain calm and patient.
How long shall we remain calm? It has been 2 months since the killing took place. How long should we remain patient? Justice delayed is justice denied. Let justice prevail from a court, not from a government that sits on a report. When the report comes, if the report has something that is not what we know, we are going to challenge even those details because we have information from the ground.
The brothers' deaths and their subsequent death at the hands of the Botswana Defence Force sparked a public outcry nationwide and drew the attention of both heads of state. Selima Henok, NBC News, Windhoek.